Hello everybody and welcome to math. Yay! In particular, the unit circle. So, let's jump right into it. So the unit circle is this thing that I have on the right here. It's a circle which helps you convert degrees to radians to units of a circle. Points to be exact. So, I wrote out a few example problems and I'm now going to show you how to solve them. So, we'll start with the sin of pi divided by 3. So first thing you'll want to do is you'll want to find whatever it is. So pi divided by 3 would be, if you go around here, right there, 60 degrees. So, pi divided by 3 is 60 degrees, but usually, since it's a sin of that, what you want to do is you want to follow cosine is the first unit, and sin is the second one. So, what you're going to want, it's actually sine, but you know, whatever. What you're going to want to do is, so, you see it's sine of pi to the third, pi divided by 3, sorry. So you take pi divided by 3, then you go up to the units, the points, and the coordinates, if you will. That's the right word. And then, you see here, cosine, sine. See right there. So what it is if we go ahead and do a little bit of, my mouse is freaking out here. Like, whoosh, disco. Okay, but anyways, if we go ahead, and not that great at this, but, so what it is would be square root of 3 divided by 2. So that would be your answer right there. So it's very nice. So now we have cosine. So 2 pi divided by 3 is right there. The cosine is, of course, the first one. So the rule for that is -1 divided by 2. Easy, easy. Now tangent, if you will. This is where it gets difficult, you see. So, if we do this, what you can do then is you go ahead and you can... So, first you're going to want to find pi divided by 4, which is this one. Square root 2 over 2, comma square root 2 over 2. So how it goes is it's sine over cosine. So, it'll be square root of 2 divided by 2 divided by square root of 2 divided by 2, which is really great. But if you do that math, it's simple math, really, because I chose an easy one. It turns out to be 1. So it's very nice. It's very simple. Now, I'm going to teach you guys some mad strats, if you will, on how to do this math simply, or memorize the unit circle, because you will probably not always be carrying a unit circle on you. Unless you have a computer, then you will, but you know, most people don't like the internet, so here we go. What you want to remember is, first, we're going to go for degrees. So, what happens is, you can see, we're first going to increase by 30. So it goes 30, skip 160, go to this one, which is, actually, first, let's just do this, okay? 0 degrees. You guys should know this. It's 0, 90, 180, and 270. Fill those 4 out with the degrees. Now you go do 30s. It's 30, skip 1, 60, skip 1, 120, skip 1, 150, skip 1, 210. And actually, when you're skipping the middle ones here, you actually are adding it to it. It's just that, you know, it's there already. So it's just an increase by 30 each time. So it's actually, in a way, you can just do, it's 3 in a row, skip 1, 3 in a row, skip 1, 3 in a row, skip 1, 3 in a row. And that's how you get those. But now it's just increased by 45. So it starts here again, 45, 45, 45, 45, 45, 45, blah, blah, blah. You know, it's a miracle. It's an absolute miracle. Now, memorizing pi, it's a bit harder, but not as hard. It's practically the same thing except increasing. So what happens is you're going to be skipping ones again, and it starts out with pi divided by 6. Then you skip one, and it's 2 pi divided by 6, which then you simplify down. 3 pi divided by 6, 4 pi divided by 6, 5 pi divided by 6, and 6 pi divided by 6, yada yada yada, all the way around. Now, the middle ones here are pi divided by 4. So, pi divided by 4, 2 pi divided by 4, 3 pi divided by 4, 4 pi divided by 4. Wow. And there we go. Very exciting math stuff. Now you're like, oh my gosh, how am I supposed to remember all of these units? Well, let me tell you, good man, woman, or either, or both, or other. I don't know. Facebook has a lot of options for that. Just go to them if you don't know. Sorry. So what you need to remember is I remember this by, it's sort of the bottom one. It's the bottom one in the first quadrant. It sort of goes in a weird, like, really lengthy X for the first one. It's just like that. I can't really draw on it, but 30, 120, 150, and 330 is that little pattern you're going to want to remember. All of those will have the pattern of square root 3 over 2, comma, 1 divided by 2, except it's just going to have the different, the negatives in different places on it because of the quadrants. So it's easy to do that. So now this one's the simplest one. It's the one in the middle of every single one. And what that is square root of 2 over 2, comma, square root of 2 over 2. And that's the same thing all around, except once again with the negatives. Then the final ones, the last ones you'll have left, are all going to be 1/2, comma, square root 3 divided by 2. And once again with the negatives. Now, the middle ones here, it's super easy. Since this one, it just goes out, so it'll be 1, and it's staying flat on the x line, so it's going to be 0. So 1, comma 0, 0, comma 1, negative 1, comma 0, and 0, comma negative 1. Very easy, everybody. The unit circle, it's easy stuff, so just remember the circle, and the rest of it will be super easy. So, with that, I hope you all learned math today. It was a blast from the past. And until next time, stay majestic, everyone.